Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see about the vocabulary of the day. Here I am going to give some sets of vocabulary with their synonyms and antonyms. The first set is squanderer. Squanderer, it is waste. Something, especially money or time, is good, reckless and foolish manner. The synonyms for squanderer are waste, misspend, misuse, throw away, dissipate, fetch away, run through, lose. Antonyms: accumulate, aggravate, amass, collect, gather, heap up, hoard, hoard up, pile up, store up. The sentence usage: posting on social media can be a great way to squander any future job opportunities. So squander means waste, misspend, misuse, throw away, dissipate, fritter away, throw, go, run through, lose. So these are all things you have to remember there for squander. And next one, second word, predicament. A difficult, unpleasant or embarrassing situation. It is a difficult or embarrassing situation is predicament. The synonyms are difficult situation, awkward situation, mess, difficulty, problematic situation, issue, plight, quandary, trouble, muddle. The antonyms are assurance, self-satisfaction, rest, decision, ease, comfort, calmness. And then the sentence usage is: this is a predicament many youngsters in their mind 20s face. Here, predicament is a difficult or embarrassing situation. And third vocabulary is befitting. Befitting is appropriate to the occasion. We are fit to the situation is befitting. Synonyms: in keeping with, as benefits, fitting, appropriate to, fit for, suitable for, suited to, apt for, proper to, right for, compatible with, consistent with, in character with. And antonyms are awkward, ill-becoming, ill-fitting, improper, indecent, indecisious, unbecoming, unfit, unseemingly, unsuitable. And the sentence usage are: the new sari remote is itself a deceiving device befitting of its premium status. The example again I repeat: the new sari remote is itself a device befitting of its premium status. And fourth vocabulary now we are going to see is transgression. Transgression, an act that goes against the law. Here the synonym for this is offense, crime, sin, wrong, wrongdoing, misdemeanor, felony, misdeed, lawbreaking, vice, evildoing, discretion, peccadillo, mischief, rule or code of conduct, an offense. And antonyms for this transgression is blamelessness, excellence, godliness, goodness, holiness, insolence, integrity, morality, purity, rectitude, right, righteousness, sinlessness, uprightness, virtue. And the sentence usage for this transgression is: a dying woman asking for divine forgiveness for a lifetime of transgressions. A dying woman asking for divine forgiveness for a lifetime of transgressions. Whatever the crime we have done in our life, it is to be forgiven by the God. That is the thing which is asked with the old lady. That is the sentence for meaning. And next one, candor. And the next one is canter. The word canter means it is the quality of being open and honest. The another one is frankness. The synonyms are frankness, openness, honesty, candidness, truthfulness, sincerity, forthrightness, directness and lack of resentment, and straightforwardness. That is called candor. And the antonyms for this is guardedness, evasiveness, insincerity. The sentence usage for this is: he spoke of those aspects with great candor and warmth. He spoke of those aspects with great candor and warmth. And sixth word is spurn. Spurn. Spurn is nothing but reject with disdain or contempt. Spurn is reject with disdain or contempt. Synonyms for this spurn is refuse, decline, say no to, reject, rebuff, scorn, turn down, turn away, repudiate, treat with contempt, disdain. And antonym for these words are adore, honor, respect, reverie, reverence, venerate. Sentence usage for this spurn is most important of all, institutions must develop criteria by which to accept or spurn funds or to keep or remove names. Spurn is to reject or disdain, to reject with disdain. And next one is suck up. The succumb is a fail to resist pressure. Suck up is the fail to resist pressure, temptation or some other negative force. Suck up is fail to reduce pressure, and then temptation or some other negative force. Here the synonyms are yield, give in, give way, submit, surrender, capitulate, cave in. Antonyms for survive, come through, pull round, make it. The sentence usage for this sentence word is the country will not succumb to any pressure from anywhere to modify it. So the succumb is fail to resist pressure. And next one is astute. The astute is having or showing an ability to accurately assess situations or people and turn this to one's advantage. The word is astute. The synonyms are shrewd, sharp-wittedness, razor sharp, acute, quick-wittedness, ingenious, clever, intelligent, bright, brilliant, smart, canny, intuitive. The antonyms are blind, dull, idiotic, imbecile, shallow, short-sighted, solid, stupid, undiscerning, unintelligent. So astute is showing an ability to accurately access the situation. Here the antonyms are short-sighted. Here the sentence usage for this word is we thought they were not very intelligent, astute, but we did not really understand how political a lot of what they were doing was. The sentence again I repeat, we thought they were not very intelligently astute, but we didn't really understood how political a lot of what they were doing was. And ninth one is annual. Annual, declare invalid. Annual is nothing but declare invalid. An official agreement, decision or result. Here synonyms are declare invalid, declare null and void, nullify, invalidate, void, repel, reverse, dissent, revoke, set aside, cancel, abolish, undo, abrogate, countermand. And antonyms are authorize, cherish, confirm, continue, enact, establish, institute, introduce, legalize, promote, reinstate, renew, repair, restore, revive, set up, support, sustain. So these are all the words for annual. The sentence usage is here her first marriage was finally annulled by His Holiness. Her first marriage was finally annulled by His Holiness. And the 10th word is alack. The 10th word is alack, used to express sorrow or distress. Alack is a word, lack. So lacking is lacking something. So alack, used to express sorrow or distress. Synonyms are alas, lackady. Antonyms are alleluia, glory, ray. Also great are rare. Whopping, wow, yapo, yippee. These are all the words they are used for alack. The sentence is alack, it's true. The only good restaurant in town is closing. Okay friends, today we saw about the 10 basic words. They are for synonyms, antonyms and then the root word. Okay, I'll see you in the next day, and every day we will update some vocabulary there with the synonyms and antonyms. Bye friends, see you in the next video.